When you're considering Giva as your help desk software solution, there are some key factors you need to know before making the decision. While it offers solid features, it's important to understand how it stacks up against its competitors and whether it's truly the best fit for your business. Stick around until the end to get a complete breakdown. First thing you should know is that Giva is well suited for businesses that need an easy to use, straightforward help desk. It focuses on simplifying ticket management, which can be a huge plus for small to mid-sized businesses. But compared to competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, Giva's user interface might feel a bit more basic. If you're looking for advanced customization and a broader range of integrations, those other platforms may offer more flexibility. Next thing you need to know, Giva provides solid reporting features, including SLA tracking and custom reports, which can help improve team performance and efficiency. However, it may not be as robust as other software like Zoho Desk or ServiceNow, which offer more advanced analytics and a deeper set of reporting tools for larger organizations. The third thing is Giva's pricing structure. It offers a range of plans to fit different business sizes, which is great if you're starting small. But if your business is scaling rapidly, the pricing can become a bit restrictive. Competitors like Freshdesk and Zendesk have more tiered pricing options, making them a more flexible choice for businesses that expect significant growth in the near future. The fourth thing is the ticketing system. Giva's ticketing system is intuitive, but it's not as feature-rich as some alternatives. While it offers a clear way to categorize and manage tickets, it lacks some of the advanced automation and AI capabilities offered by systems like Zoho Desk or ServiceTitan. If you're looking for AI-driven ticket categorization or more advanced ticket routing, Giva might not be enough. Next thing you should know is Giva's customer support. It offers great support with phone, email, and chat options. But the level of support and response times can vary depending on your plan, with the more affordable plans receiving slower response times. Larger companies often see better support with competitors like Zendesk, which offers dedicated customer service representatives. Sixth thing to consider is integrations. While Giva offers integrations with popular tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Gmail, it's not as extensive as some competitors. Zendesk and Freshdesk, for example, provide more out-of-the-box integrations and a larger app marketplace to suit any specialized needs. Next thing is customization. Giva offers some customization options, but it may not have the flexibility you need if you're running a highly specialized operation. If customization is a priority, you might want to look into tools like ServiceNow or Freshdesk, which allow for deeper modifications to meet the unique needs of your business. Eighth thing you should keep in mind is Giva's knowledge base feature. It's simple and easy to set up, which works for smaller businesses. However, if you're looking for a more advanced knowledge base with smart suggestions or AI integration, you might want to check out competitors like Freshdesk or Zendesk, which offer more sophisticated knowledge management. Ninth thing, Giva's mobile app. While it's functional for managing tickets on the go, it's not as user-friendly or feature-rich as some competitors. If you're relying heavily on mobile support, you might find that alternatives like Zendesk or Zoho Desk offer a better mobile experience. 10th thing is Giva's automation capabilities. It has some automation features like auto-assignment of tickets and SLAs, but it lacks the advanced workflows and AI-powered automation that you'll find in other help desk software, such as Zoho Desk or Freshdesk. If automating repetitive tasks is crucial for you, you might want to look at other platforms. Next, let's talk about security. Giva takes data security seriously with features like role-based access and data encryption. However, larger businesses may require more advanced security features, such as multi-factor authentication or more granular control over user permissions, which some of the bigger competitors offer. Lastly, Giva is a great choice for businesses that prioritize simplicity and ease of use. If you're a small business or startup with straightforward customer support needs, Giva could be the right tool for you. However, if you need more advanced features, integrations, or customizations, you might want to consider other options like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Overall, Giva is a solid option, but if you're looking for a more robust solution with more advanced features and better scalability, we recommend you try out our top pick for help desk software, which you can explore for free.